Welcome back. A familiar crime-fighting duo is back on movie screens this weekend. Will Smith and Martin Lawrence. Here's movie reviewer Dean Richards to tell you what you need to know about Bad Boys Ride or Die. It's this week's Popcorn Picks.
Mike, there's a storm coming. Things are going to get bad. We're going to be tested.
In 1995, the hip, fast-talking, notorious Miami cops Mike and Marcus, played by Will Smith and Martin Lawrence, were unleashed onto the streets and the underbelly of South Florida. And it's been hard not to like these guys through the years. Now they are back with the fourth installment of their franchise. But is it strong enough to ignite what's been a lukewarm early summer of movies? In Bad Boys Ride or Die, they are accused of being on the wrong side of the law, as their longtime late captain, played by Joe Pantoliano, is posthumously being accused of being on the take by the drug cartels, something that Mike and Marcus are out to clear up. So you can dig into the main plot and its several subplots, including Martin Lawrence exercising his comedy muscle, or you can strap yourself in for some high-powered action, because there's plenty of it. Lawrence and Smith's chemistry is tangible, but it's still hard to watch Will Smith and not think about the Oscar slap. It's even made fun of in one scene in this movie. Still, for me, it was a major distraction. Bad Boys Ride or Die doesn't break any new ground, but it is a quintessential summer popcorn movie, and sometimes that's just enough. I gave it a Dean's List B.
All right, B's not too bad. Coming up,